Waiting to load up a load of aircon units. Can't wait. Just on a job in Bristol. Just waiting for the crane to set up to get them off the roof. Straight into the wagon there. First one down. Not bad size that, lads. Lovely jubbly.